Hey guys, I'm Chef Matt Bolas from the 404 Kitchen in Nashville, Tennessee, and I'm here today to talk to you about an exciting new set of cookware that I've been fortunate enough to use both at home and at the restaurant for a while now. It's the NanoBond series pans from Heston Cookware. So you've just gotten done cooking a big dinner, a big lunch, you've had fun, you've ate a lot of great food, and now it's time to clean. Nobody likes to clean. One of the beautiful things about this cookware is the fact that they designed it with not only cooking in mind, but also the ease of cleaning. The NanoBond technology creates a non-porous surface that prevents stains and items from sticking to the pan. And one of the most frustrating things when cleaning is where all these little food bits usually get stuck in the rivets. Heston has created a flush rivet that prevents that from happening. You don't need any harsh chemicals, you don't need steel wool anymore. All you need is a blue Scotch-Brite and warm soapy water, and your pans are going to become as clean as they've ever been, as clean as you could ever imagine. Sometimes after washing your pans with soapy hot water and drying them off, you may see a little bit of bluing on there. Please know this isn't damage in any way or a stain. It's a simple food film. Again, this just depends on what you cooked. Highly acidic foods, salty foods, starchy foods can sometimes cause this. It's easily taken care of with the Heston cleaning solution. A little bit of the cleaning solution on a simple paper towel, and not much. Remember, it's non-abrasive, it's biodegradable, domestic made. You can already see how it started to take things away. Just a couple of swipes with the cleaner and a simple paper towel. We're going to get a quick rinse with hot water and dry it off, and it'll be just as beautiful as it was the day you got it out of the box. Heston NanoBond cookware, truly game-changing technology, high performance, lasting beauty, dish after dish.